guys, welcome back to MyGo Minds. So in this video, let's try to learn a program which can find out the minimum number among three numbers. Okay, so before that, what do you mean by minimum number? So any lowest number, if there are a group of numbers, so the lowest number is stated as the minimum number. Okay, so now what is minimum number among three numbers? So if there are three numbers, the lowest value is the minimum number. Okay, so how to find minimum number? It's easy. So it's just to sort in ascending order. Ascending order is nothing but the smallest value to the highest value. So and then when you do ascending, and then the first index element will be the minimum number, right? Index of 0 will be the minimum number. So what are the operators in order to find out minimum number? It is less than and also and operator. Okay, and so these are the numbers. So let's try to find out the minimum number among these using the logic. Logic is nothing but B is less than A and B is less than C. In order to find out for B, so initially in order to find out for B, so this is the condition: B is less than A and also B is less than C, which means that minimum number is B. Okay, so now let us write the program. So let us take three different numbers as an input. So A is equals to int input, and now enter the first number. Okay, enter the first number. Now, so whatever the second number and third number, for that also we need to we have to give and store the values. Okay, so for that, so let us say this is B and this is the second number, and also for third, let us say this is C and this is the third number. Okay, now let's write the condition, which I said the operators we use is less than and also and operator. So if is a condition statement. So A for initially, let's find out for A. A is less than B and A is less than C. Then what? Then what I wanted to print? I wanted to print A. So A is the small minimum number. Okay, so A, like let's say A is minimum number. Okay, so now let's just copy this and let's write the other condition, because there are three, right? So what if we wanted to find out the other condition? What statement we use? If. Okay, so now B is less than A and B is less than C. Then what I wanted to print? B is minimum number. So if A is not my minimum number and B is not minimum number, then of course C will be the minimum number, right? So that's it. So this is how we write the program, and let's check. Let me run this program. So let me just run this program. Now let me give the first number, let's say 20, and the other second number is 40 and 60. See, 20 is the minimum number. Okay, now let's say I give let's say 100, 100 and 50 and 75. So 50 is the minimum number. So this is how you write the program, where you'll be using if conditions and also operators less than and operator. Okay, so that's all about the program, guys. For more such programmatic based videos, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share it with your friends. And also please don't forget to follow us on our Facebook, LinkedIn and Instagram. Thank you.